Hey, want to log into Facebook but feeling a little lost? Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. If you're on your phone, tap the Facebook app. On a computer, just open your browser and type facebook.com in the address bar. Step 2. Enter your login info. You'll see 2 boxes. In the first one, type your email address or phone number, whatever you use to sign up for Facebook. Step 3. Enter your password. In the second box, type your Facebook password. Be careful. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off and symbols are correct. Step 4. Log in. Once everything looks good, tap or click the login button. If your info is correct, you'll be instantly logged in and taken to your news feed. Welcome back. Bonus tip. Forgot your password? Just tap Forgot Password right below the login box. Follow the instructions and Facebook will help you reset it using your email or phone. And that's it. You're back on Facebook. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy tech guides.